Step 1. Identify where your money goes. Most people work hard, but they don't know where their money disappears. Here's what to do. Write income, write expenses, calculate what's left. If nothing is left, then growth is impossible. You can't grow money you don't control. Step 2. Stop spending all your effort income. Working hard but spending everything is equals to zero progress. Solution to this: save first before spending. Keep a percentage aside. Treat savings like a bill. Even small money grows over time. Growth starts with keeping something. Step 3. Build a growth bucket. Not all savings should sit. Create 3 buckets, which are spending, saving, and growth. Growth money is for skills, business, investment, tools. Money must have a job. Step 4. Increase income with purpose. Working hard at one income source is risky. Solution to this: add second income. Learn high income skill. Monetize your knowledge and build digital income. One income slows wealth. Step 5. Turn extra income into assets. Most people increase income, then increase lifestyle. That's bad. Solution to this: reinvest your extra money. Reinvest your extra money. Build content. Build products. Build knowledge assets. Assets grows your money. Step 6, the last and not the least: be patient with growth. Money doesn't grow instantly. First phase is slow. Second phase is steady. Then the third phase is fast. And most people quit in phase 1. Wealth rewards patience. Now take this down. You are not broke because you don't work hard. You are broke because your money has nowhere to grow.